Welcome. Today I am with XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro 5G and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So we are going to start from the photo mode, and when you are here you can quickly increase or decrease brightness level by tapping on the screen and moving this sun icon just like that. Take a look. That's very simple, as you can see. You can also make it manually by tapping on the screen. We can also use camera timer, it's right here, so we can add 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. When you choose 3 seconds and tap on the shutter, after this time, photo will be taken. We can also use the Google Lens when you tap right here. But you have to be connected to the mobile data or Wi-Fi network, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So I will enable the Wi-Fi. Okay, let me just plug to the network. Okay, as you can see, when I'm connected and when I go back, everything is fine. And right now I would like to get more information about, for example, this item. So you have to focus on it, and when you get this blue highlight dot, okay, looks like we have to go back. Just go back, open it one more time. There it is. Okay, looks like it's not working, so let's try on the mouse. Okay, so when you press on the shutter, the smartphone make web search, and there we got the exact model of the mouse. It's Logitech B100. So basically you can just find objects around you. When you are also in this photo mode, we can quickly change the temperature and the color of the photos by tapping right here. As you can see, there's a couple of the different filters, but I'm gonna go for the normal one. And in the video mode we can do the same with the brightness level. As you can see, we get the same slider and we can adjust the brightness level. We can also use filters. And to be honest, the filters on the video mode, it's very rare thing, so it's good to appreciate. And here we can find the Pro mode, and we can find here the white balance, focus, shutter speed, ISO, EV and lens. We can adjust all of these values manually, but if you don't know what is going on here, you can tap on this information icon. And here we get the great description of a very feature. So it's good to know that we got here this tutorial how to use the Pro mode. Okay, and let's go for the photo mode. We can enter right here on the 3 horizontal lines and tap on the settings icon, where we can find a few options, like we can change the volume button function. Currently it's set up on the shutter countdown, but for me the best option is to use as a zoom. So take a look. When you press volume down or up button, you can zoom in to the 10 times and zoom out very smoothly. So we can test other options and pick your favorite. We can also enable focus and the shot. So when you hold your phone like that and then tap on the screen, the photo will be taken. So when you sometimes cannot reach this bottom shutter, you can use like this one. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.